Okay guys, doing a quick video for you guys on a lawn and garden tractor tire or turf tire that I got online for a good deal. So I want to share the deals and the savings on y'all. I got these GARVEE lawn and garden tires. Now they're not agriculture tires like most dudes do on videos saying these are better on hills and whatnot, and you know, this is just a turf tire, but it's a pretty cool turf tire because most turf tires are, you know, 2-ply. These are actually 4-ply. That means there's 4 layers of protection on the bottom, not on the walls, of types of materials they use, and there's one big steel liner they put on there for added protection. And look at the tread on there. That's pretty good tread, and I've had it up on the hill earlier today mowing my hill. And let me tell you, the brand that I'm showing you guys is made in America. It's called GARVEE, G-A-R-V-E-E, and they're really cheap. And I got 2 of these tires off of eBay, which I'll leave the listing down in the description down below, guys, where you guys can find this GARVEE tires. I got a steal on these. Usually these, if you try to buy 2 of these tires like this, they're going to be around $125 to $160 just for the rear tires. They do make several different sizes, all the way from size 20 to 8-inch rim, and they make an 18 size tire for most of your Craftsman mowers, like 8, 18. I think they make a 16 and a 15 also for a front tire as well, but they're 4-ply. Most of these lawn and, you know, turf saver type of tire brands or MTD tires are only 2-ply. These guys are 4-ply, and I had it up on the hill earlier today with my riding lawnmower, and let me tell you guys, it did great on the hill. There was no slippage, you know, it just kept going and going and going, and it didn't stop. I did my front yard with it today as well. That's why I got it out here with the garden tractor, the garden trailer on it today, because I got to mow this yard and I got to collect some, you know, pieces of wood and take them out in the woods and dump them. But let me tell you guys, these GARVEE tires are 2 thumbs up, guys. Had them for about a month. They work really well, easy install. I took them down to my local Husqvarna dealer. Shout out to Mountaineer Mowers, and tell Adam old Hondo sent you. If you guys live in the Raleigh County, greater region of West Virginia. And let me tell you guys, these tires are awesome. So I want to save the I want to share the savings down to y'all too on these GARVEE tires. 2 thumbs up, man. They really work good on a hill. I didn't get stuck or nothing up on my hill. Usually I get stuck with the old tires I had on here, which were turf savers from MTD, the original tires that were on this from 1998. They were dry rotted, so I had to get a pair of new ones for my rear tire on this Statesman or Southern States tractor I got here. And they're 2 thumbs up, guys. So if you like this quick video, please hit the like, share, and subscribe on these 4-ply GARVEE tires. Man, they are awesome tires. I've had them for about a month now, and they work really well. They stay plated, you know, they're good on a hill, they're good on flat terrain. And yeah, they're not agriculture tires like you put on a tractor, but they do work really well. And they're $89 for 2 of them, and I'll leave down the link down below for you. Different websites where you can find these made in America GARVEE tires. Awesome, highly recommend them. It's been your old pal Hondo from Hillbilly Tactical.